Hello viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In today's video, we are going to make a short review on Luoshi fountain pen. This is the resembling model of lamy safari model, and all the clip and the whole body and the space here, yeah, is exactly looking like a lamy safari. And you can find the brand's name Luoshi here in this red portion. And yeah, this is fully a transparent one, a rainbow color clip and a round top portion, um, a cross like structure which is in the top button. And here this is a eraser of this pen, and which is a magical thing, and I'm going to show in the end. And this is MB nib, a rainbow color MB nib. For this pair you can refer our pen house site. We are having a different tipped MB nib. Actually, this feeder, which is looking in a blue color, which is also a transparent one, the ink is passing through here, this grip portion. So this is, as this one is a transparent, it is resembling like a blue color one. And this is the cartridge, which inks is in different color. And for this spare, you can check in our site. Then let me going to show the magic of this pen. Here I am writing yeah. This nib is so smooth. Okay, now this is the writing of this pen, and let me show you the magic. Oh, this is unwanted thing, so I want to rub this. So let me moving this upside down and erasing this easily. And you can write in the erased portion again. So this is the very good advantage of this pen. And the school going starting age ink students, some children may love to write with these type of ink pens, which will become their passion. And there is no resembling of any blue color ink in the eraser portion, and you can't rub this in any ink. So this is only possible with this ink. And if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in WhatsApp. You can find our WhatsApp number in our site itself. We are there to respond to you at any time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.